Hey everybody, Charlie in the kitchen today. I have got so much okra here lately, I don't know what to do with it. So I Googled it like everybody else would, or YouTube it. But I was wanting to do my okra without blanching. So they say put it on a sheet, stick it in the freezer, and freeze it until it's hard, then bag it up, which I will probably use our food saver, and vacuum seal it and see how it works. It's worth a try. I hope I don't ruin a bunch of okra, but that's not all the okra I have. I have more here. And I finally got out there and picked it while it's still young. I usually wait too long and get big okras, and you can't do nothing with them, so you let them dry and get the seeds. And I finally found out about my red okra, what it's called, because the seeds I had for the red okra was just in the package on a seed trade, and all it had on the package was red okra. Well, I found out, and I got a bunch of this growing. It's Texas Hill Country red okra. It'll get fully red if you let it get too big, but you don't want it to get too big. Even these small ones feel tough, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut them up and freeze them, I think. And if they feel too tough, I guess they'll just have to go out. But you can't do nothing with tough okra. You can't really boil it either and eat it, because it just don't work. If y'all got suggestions on what to do with big tough okra, let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. So I'm gonna throw this okra in the freezer and get it frozen. Come over here to our little bitty freezer, which was full, getting a little low, but we still got plenty. Got some corn, and she gets this meat and vegetables and stuff mixed up. Anyway, there's some, no, I don't know what that is. She got stuff in there for her pepper jellies, so anyway, I'm gonna let that freeze up for a couple of hours and see if it's frozen enough to bag it up, and we'll come back when we're ready to do some bagging. So see y'all in a little bit. Brandy will probably be here, so see y'all in a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, all of this little bitty stuff here, I'm gonna boil up tonight and eat it. Yum yum. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back, and I told you Brandy would be home when I got ready to bag up the okra. No, I didn't call her a bag either.
He better not.
Anyway,
I'm the one that runs the
yeah,
vacuum.
she runs a food saver, not me.
Yeah. For those of you who don't know about the food savers, these things are great. They will do liquid, they will do dry, anything. And even has attachments to vacuum seal jars
And bags.
and certain types of bags.
Yeah.
That now it's going to want to sit there. There it goes. And fool around. But this is the food saver. And it's got your dry and your moist, your seal food, and then your attachments and marinades. We haven't ever used the marinade yet, but I've used the dry, moist, and the attachment sealer as well. But today we're doing okra. So I'm gonna take a bag. As much they come in rolls. So you just cut off the amount that you need. Normally I do 3, so I do a gallon size bag normally. So take and cut it. You're gonna hit the seal button. Your rough side up. And it's gonna seal that end. But you always wanna do your rough side up. You don't wanna do your smooth side up because it won't seal right. So, whenever it comes out, you can see the line that it did in the bag. And then you just take and you do your date and what you're doing. What is today? The 22nd.
Okra. So let me go over here and get the okra out of the freezer.
Pretty good, pretty good.
I'd say it's frozen.
I say so too. So let's bring it over here. Put it down on the stove. I'm going to take and place it in the bag. I don't know why I'm putting it in here nice and pretty because it's all just going to be thrown around.
Two more.
Okay. Now, what you want to do with this is you want to make sure that you have your bags tight. And you don't want it all at one end.
So you leave the smooth side up to seal?
Yes, because you're pulling it tight. And watch, it's going to tell me, nope, not now.
Don't you have to hit the seal button?
Now it's sealing after it's sucked out all the air.
Didn't break none.
Nope.
One got sucked flat.
No, it's not flat.
It looked flat.
It's not flat. See? It's not flat.
Okay.
But there you go. Now, instead of having a glob of just okra, you have it flat to where you can lay it in your deep freeze.
Yep.
So, it makes more room.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! That's vacuum sealed frozen okra, straight from the garden to the sink to the freezer.
So we will keep y'all updated on if this non-blanching okra will work.
Yep. And we also are going to do preps for fried okra as well. Get it cut up and battered and frozen and then do the same process.
Yeah, I don't think that okra stopped growing until after September. So we got a lot of okra.
A lot. It's coming out of our ears.
I don't know how many. I haven't been weighing it. We've probably done 20 pounds or more already. I just keep giving it away too.
Yep. But that's the okra. So
this is another
Pafford Homestead video.
prepping Pafford Homestead video, and I will keep y'all updated on this. If it starts turning black, I'll let you know.
It's not going to start turning black. It's going to be
I've
just
never seen it done this way before. So.
Yeah, he was like, no, it has
A
to
couple of
blanch.
years ago, I had a bunch of okra, and I just blanched it all and put it in the freezer
Yeah.
in regular bags, and we used it all.
We We did.
So we'll give this a try and see how it works. I read it on Google, and she says she's seen a video of it done. So
Yep. And he likes slimy okra, so.
But I don't think this, after freezing it, will have the same texture of fresh okra.
That I don't know.
I don't think it will. It'd be good for cooking, but not eating like that. I don't think. Anyway, guys, we love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep making new videos.
And give us some thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.